Good day, everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you about how the layout and your view works under the ASP.NET Core MVC model. Okay, so when you create the simple application, the software will create this kind of underscore layout template file for you. Okay, then you can create your own view. Okay, and then when you try to render the view, or display the view, then actually the content in your view file will be inserted into the layout files location with this special razor function render body. I put a note over there is kind of a view page placeholder. Okay, in the old days, we call this one the master file. Okay, yeah. So again, once those two merged, then the customer will be able to see the final view. Okay, so this is kind of the final view. So let me give you some code in action. Okay, it will be easier to see. Okay, yeah. So let me create a new project. Okay, and then MVC. Okay, I mean ASP.NET Core project. And let me call this one is layout. Okay, basic 01. Okay, and click create. And I really don't need to run this secure HTTPS. Okay, so let me click create. Okay, and then again the software. Okay, let me close the startup file, and then you can see that the software will create a default layout file under the shared view. Okay, this is what's going on. And it has the head section, the body section. In at the body section, inside the body, you have header, and then you also have footer. Okay, yeah, and then you can see that there is this render body. Okay, so actually this is again I mentioned it. This is a view. View place holder. Okay, and then you can see that for the index dot C# view, this is the one. Okay, yeah, and then when I try to run the home controllers, index method, then the index view will be insert into the layout files function over here. The render body function over here, and then the two views will be merged together and then sent to the client. Okay, sent to the client. Okay, so this is kind of what it look like. Okay, let me minimize it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, yeah, and again, to let you see better about what's going on. Okay, I think that I will insert some border. Okay, some border. Okay, uh, in the style. Okay, the layout file style. Okay, main tag location here. So let me run it again. There we go. Okay, so you can see that this view here. Okay, let me drag it, put it over here. Okay, so when it's rendered, actually the whole content here got inserted into this location. Then the two views will be merged. Okay, two views will be merged to generate this final view. Okay, yeah. So again, you might be asking, why you would like to do that? Okay, yeah. So why do you want to use this layout file? So again, we are talking about a large scale website, which means it might consist of hundreds of pages. Okay, yeah. So let me try to give you some idea. Okay, yeah. So this is something I've typed already. So soon that you have kind of four pages. Page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4. Okay, and then again, let me in order to run that, then in my home controller file, let me create additional 3 action methods. Okay, Okay, and let me see. Okay, index 2, index 3, and I need one more. Okay, index 4. Okay, index 4. Yeah, index 4. And then okay, I'm going to copy this index Shisha file. Okay, yeah. So let me copy it 4 times. Okay, kind of for the purpose to simulate the idea of okay large scale website. Okay, yeah. So page 1. Okay, page 2. Page 3. Okay, so this will be index 2. Okay, yeah. Will be index 2, and then this will be index 3. Okay, index 3 page. Okay, 3 page, and then this will be index 4 page. Okay, index 4 page. All right, and then let me quickly do a little bit changes. Okay, so this is index 2, so this is assume page 2. Okay, and this is page 3. Sorry, this one page 3. Okay, page 3, and this one page 4. Okay, page 4. Okay, and then let me again run it quickly. Okay, so let me run it. So you can see that, okay, assume you have, I mean, let's say, okay, 40 pages, okay, instead of, I mean, just 4 pages, okay, just to give you an idea. And all those, okay, 40 pages, okay, they would like to have the same header, okay, and same footer. Okay, then by using, okay, the layout file, you can see, let me see, yeah, page 1. But by using the kind of the layout file here, then you can see that all those 4 pages, right? They all have the consistent look, okay? Consistent look, okay? Yeah, and similarly, let's say assume that your boss said, hey, I mean, we want to insert a logo after this privacy, company's logo after this privacy. Then again, because you are using this layout file, okay, then I mean, you don't need to add those 4 icons into, let's say, 4 or 40 pages. I mean, you just need to add one place. That's all. So let me quickly create an icon. Okay. So this is our school. Okay. Yeah. Southeastern. And let me just use this software to take a quick screenshot on the icon over here. Okay. Yeah. And then let me save it as maybe SE icon. Okay. Icon. Yeah. SE icon will be fine. Yeah. And let me save it into my picture. Okay. Yeah. Picture folder. Yeah. I have one there already, so let me just override it. Okay, yeah. All right, okay. And then now, okay, assume that in my okay kind of page, okay, I want to add that icon there for all the 4 pages. Okay, yeah, all 40 pages. Imagine it. Okay, then all I need to do is go to the layout file. This will be the layout file, right? And then let me expand the footer. And then in the footer area, I'm going to put an image file over there. And then I have to copy my image file first. So this is my image file. So let me copy it. Okay. And then put it under my root directory. Again, for the sake of time, okay, I just copy and paste the file there. Theoretically, you should create an image folder, okay, and then put all the images under there, okay. Yeah, but then again, to save time, okay, I just do things like this. Okay, and then all I need to just drag and drop. Okay, that's it. Okay, you say, wow, this is pretty cool. I know, yeah. All right, okay, and then maybe give myself a little bit room, okay, for the BR, yeah, a line breaker. All right, so now, okay, if I run it, okay, let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so let me run it, okay, and then boom, you can see that. I mean, the icon showed up, okay, and then all the 4 pages, okay, page 2, page 3, page 1, page 4, page 1, they all can enjoy, okay, this icon will be, and then even the next day, okay, let's say your boss decide to use another icon. Ooh, I mean, you don't need to change the icon on each individual page at all. Okay, yeah, you just change one place. So that is the idea of using this kind of this approach. Okay, yeah, this approach, okay, layout file, okay, yeah. So this razor, okay, a syntax, okay, and then call the function. Again, this one render body, you will take the view and merge, okay, or insert, okay, into here, and then generate the final view sent to the client, okay. So that is the idea, okay, a general idea about this section, okay. As for next layouts, I mean, I have another video available. Okay. All right. And then next one will be, I will just directly jump to this one. Okay. In this video, how to use this section. Okay. So maybe you have seen something, okay, in your layout file, okay, like this, okay, so-called A, and then render section function, and has a script file name, okay, and then another parameter is either required, okay, false, okay, which means is optional, okay, or you want to make it as required, okay, for all the views, okay. Yeah, so here is the, I'm going to give you the idea about how to use it, okay, yeah, how to use it. So assume that, okay, assume that, yeah. Okay, for page 2, okay, for page 2, you want to add another icon next to, okay, our school's icon. Okay, for example, just for example, but then, okay, you don't want page 1, page 3, page 4 to do it. Okay, then, okay, using, okay, individual, okay, layout file. Okay, then how can you do that, right? So, okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so for example, okay, I'm going to insert, let's say, the icon after our school's image over here. Okay, then I can put something like this. I can use this add the render section. Okay, but then make sure that the script file name is picked by you. Okay, so let me call it render section. Okay, script Google. Okay, for example, yeah, for the demonstration purpose. Okay, yeah, and then in my let's say index 2 page, okay, then I have to insert this special razor section tag. So is the start with razor and then the name section, and then this name, this name picked by you again can be any name, okay, picked by you, and in there you put whatever you want, okay. But usually it will be some cascading starsheet file, okay, or cascading starsheet reference file. But then, I mean, you can put really, I mean, you can put whatever thing you like, okay, yeah. So, okay, I need a Google logo, okay. So let me just find it. Okay, there you go. Okay, I got one prepared, okay. Yeah, to shorten the time, again, I don't encourage you to paste it under the root folder, but then again, for the sake of time, I just keep it there, okay. And then now let's see that again, if I run it, what's going to happen? Again, this name in the layout file has to be the same name like the one you pick over here. Okay, otherwise it won't work. Okay, yeah. So let me run it. Okay, let me run it. Okay, yeah. So you can see that page 1 just has this logo only. Okay, just has this logo only. But then you can see that page 2, boom, wow. I mean, because we use this razor section feature, then the image will be inserted into the will be inserted into the footer and after the our school's icon. But how about page 3? No. Page 4? No. Okay. Yeah. So I hope that you got the idea. Okay. Yeah. I mean, again, it's pretty neat feature. Okay. But then most of the time, Okay, it will be used to insert a script file most of the time. Okay, but then you can insert images. You can insert whatever navigation link if it is necessary. Okay, yeah. All right. So let me stop the video right now. Okay, I hope this is useful to you.